So this is the most dangerous. This is a well-educated fighter that knows how to stab with a knife. So this is the fast stabs with good technique. This is your straight stab. So when Brittany's throwing a straight stab, what I do is I keep, my arm is basically covering a lot of bases here. If I were to bring my into a fist and being not relaxed, I don't have that extra area. Because if you're gonna go high, it's covering all these areas because I don't know, I can't tell where the stab's going. So as I'm here, and I don't just roll and give a little tap on this. I'm actually diverting and getting my whole body out, okay? From here, I wanna grab over in this area because she's gonna retract, and if I try to grab here, guess what's gonna happen? We'll go slow. If I try to grab here, no, not gonna happen. Divert, hit, I can burst. This is a little bit more of a delayed burst. Okay, again, hitting, diverting, I'm hitting, getting this offline, okay? Grabbing here. Now what's happening here is I'm chopping down as hard as I can, okay? Again. Good grip. Sorry about that. See this chop? It's going against where she's grabbing the blade, okay? Instead of putting all my attention and striking, which I can do, I'm getting that knife out of the equation. Now from here, we could go into moves like Koitagaishi. So we're gonna get into the intricacies involved with getting the knife out of their hand. Close-up view. So as he's coming in and I'm hitting, I wanna get a hold of that. I'm grabbing over here. This is a 45 chop. I'm not coming straight down because that's where his hand's strong. I'm making the blade go where his hand isn't and his grip isn't strong, this way. So what's happening here is this has gotta be fast. Like I said, we can punch here. 45 type chop here, okay? Going towards where his hand is weak, all right? So again, here we are, chipping out, grabbing here. That's where it is. Now from here, we have an even playing field.